Welcome to HVAC exam practice test. Our topic today is maintenance, servicing, and safety. Question 1. What is meant by preventive maintenance? A. Training to assure understanding of equipment. B. Routine assessment of equipment condition. C. Time-based maintenance. D. Root cause failure analysis. The correct answer is C. Time-based maintenance. Explanation. Preventive maintenance refers to performing maintenance tasks at scheduled time or usage intervals, regardless of whether a failure has occurred. The key idea is prevention, servicing equipment before problems appear. Examples include replacing filters every 6 months or servicing a motor after a set number of operating hours. This approach helps reduce unexpected breakdowns, extend equipment life, and improve reliability. Question 2. What questions about output results should be asked about the Computerized Maintenance Management System, CMMS? A. Can repeat work orders be flagged to indicate a potential system problem? B. Can the CMMS system produce an accurate labor report to be utilized during budget preparation? C. Can these reports be utilized when dealing with an oversight authority such as the Joint Commission on Accreditation of Healthcare Organizations? D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Explanation. A CMMS is valuable only if it provides useful, actionable output data. That includes accurate labor reports for budgeting, the ability to identify recurring work orders that signal deeper system issues, and reports that support compliance with oversight or accreditation bodies. Since all of these functions are essential for effective maintenance management, the correct choice is all of these. Download the app by using the link in the description or by searching HVAC TruePrep AI Tutor in the App Store and Google Play to access more exam-like practice tests. Question 3. Why are safe practices important in servicing refrigeration equipment? A. They help keep equipment and maintenance personnel from danger. B. They prevent accidents. C. They save lives. D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Explanation. Refrigeration systems involve high pressures, electrical components, and potentially hazardous refrigerants. Safe practices reduce accidents, protect technicians and equipment, and can literally save lives. Because all listed reasons are valid and interconnected, the most accurate answer is all of these. Question 4. Cylinders of compressed gas must be handled carefully. What is the pressure of a cylinder of nitrogen at room temperature in pounds per square inch? A. 740. B. 2,000. C. 500. D. 1,000. The correct answer is B. 2,000. Explanation. A standard nitrogen cylinder at room temperature is typically pressurized to about 2,000 pounds per square inch. This extremely high pressure is why nitrogen cylinders require regulators and careful handling. Lower values such as 500 or 1,000 pounds per square inch would indicate a partially empty cylinder, not a full one. The 740 pounds per square inch value is unrelated to nitrogen and is often confused with refrigerant pressure. Question 5. When flushing or purging a contaminated system, care must be taken to protect the eyes and blank space from contact with acid-saturated refrigerant or oil mists. A. Fingers. B. Skin. C. Toes. D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Explanation. Acid-contaminated refrigerant or oil mist can damage eyes, skin, hands, and feet. During flushing or purging, exposure is not limited to one body part. Full personal protective equipment is required, which is why all of these is the most complete and accurate answer. Question 6. A frangible disc is A. Ceramic disc, B. Breakable type disc, C. Cast iron disc, D. Sheet metal disc. The correct answer is B. Breakable type disc. Explanation: a frangible disc, also called a burst disc, is designed to rupture at a specific pressure to protect a system from overpressure. Its defining feature is not the material, but the fact that it intentionally breaks to release pressure. Once it ruptures, it must be replaced. Question 7. Never fill any refrigerant gas cylinder with liquid at more than HACR-rated blank space % in order to allow for expansion. A. 80, B. 99, C. 90, D. 89. The correct answer is A. 80. Explanation: liquids expand as temperature increases. Refrigerant cylinders must have sufficient vapor space to allow for this expansion. Industry safety standards limit liquid filling to 80% capacity, leaving 20% vapor space to prevent dangerous pressure buildup and possible cylinder rupture. Question 8. One of the most often repeated admonishments in safety is A. Wear gloves, B. Wear goggles, C. Lift with the legs and not the back, D. Wear safety-toed shoes. The correct answer is C. Lift with the legs and not the back. Explanation: improper lifting is one of the leading causes of workplace injury. Because HVAC and refrigeration components are often heavy, safety training repeatedly emphasizes lifting with the legs while keeping the back straight. This minimizes strain and reduces the risk of serious back injuries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for updated videos every week.